मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीम् आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत.
In February 2020, Amar Seva Sangam's first ever international conference was held at the Hyatt Regency, Chennai, on early intervention with the theme of early intervention, maximizing the potential of children with special needs towards inclusion. More than 500 delegates participated in the conference from various parts of the world, including Canada, USA, Cambodia and Bangladesh. The event was graced by the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, His Excellency Shri Banwari Lal Purohit, Honorable Minister for Social Welfare and Midday Meal Program, Ms. Saroja V, among the various other respected delegates.
सकल दयालु जन को देवक.
Amar Seva Sangam in Aikudi, Tamil Nadu, India is the premier organization in disability management, founded by the Padma Shri awardee Shri S. Ramakrishnan and run by professionals in wheelchairs. Under the leadership of Honorary Secretary of Amar Seva Sangam, Shri S. Shankara Raman, the organization has been empowering children and adults with disabilities by early intervention, other therapeutic services, education, skill development, livelihood solutions, and self-advocacy in a systematic approach. Early intervention is a system of services to help children under the age group of 6 years with developmental delays. It is vital in maximizing a child's highest potential and improving long-term function. Given the growing number of children with developmental disabilities, there is an urgent need to address disability issue with quality early intervention services to improve the capacity of children with developmental delay or disabilities and so promote maximum independence in function and participation. Early intervention facilitates early participation in education and socialization. Amar Seva Sangam's innovative home-based digital technology, known as Mobile Village-Based Rehabilitation Early Intervention (MVBREI), has been impacting thousands of children under the age group of 6 years with development delays and addressing the current issues at the grassroots level in various domains of a child, including motor, cognitive, communication, social and emotional. In order to magnify the impact, Amar Seva Sangam aspiringly reaches out to government, social, corporate bodies and several universities, researchers and experts across the globe for collaboration. Therefore, considering the relevance and to bring forward a number of diverse experiences in the field of early intervention along with the objective of knowledge exchange, network developing, collaborating with other knowledge partners globally, Amar Seva Sangam planned this 3-day international conference on early intervention for children with special needs at Chennai from 13th to 15th February 2020, including one-day pre-conference workshop. This was undoubtedly an ambitious effort, but not unattainable, and to make it a success, the team had been working meticulously from scratch, forming an advisory committee and various conference committees. An advisory committee was formed from various aspects of early intervention. A combination of academicians, clinicians, specialists, finance experts, software experts, and event organizers from different parts of the world. There were regular meetings conducted in person and through Zoom among the committee members for planning the conference in terms of finalizing aspects like theme, speakers, outcomes, objectives, and participants involving experts, etc. Separate bank account, website, logos, photos, and hashtags were developed for the conference purpose. List of keynote speakers and speakers were identified and invited. Nevertheless, there were some challenges which crept up at the 11th hour, like inadequate fund and poor number of registrations, but under the able leadership of Mr. Raman, a rapid action group was formed with separate teams attending to activities like reaching out to various corporates and individual donors for fundraising, registration with local and international NGOs, universities, answering to all queries on the conference, planning promotional flyers, posters, etc., and managing social media activities. 8 months hard work of team of professionals with ups and downs during preparatory time, the conference stood as one of its kind and well received by the delegates. Overall, to make the conference a success and to get maximum insight, the 3-day conference was planned with various activities and assigning specific roles for the volunteers in the conference. The salient features of the conference were 2 parallel pre-conference workshops on early intervention by national and international experts were planned, engaging delegates of various levels of their professions. Keynote addresses were given by eminent speakers and pioneers of relevant fields for a detailed understanding of the theme of early intervention, succeeded by 8 scientific sessions on various sub-themes of early intervention by experts that run early intervention programs across the country, spreading over 3 days, which again consisted of sub-themes of early intervention. The conference was a platform for various researchers and scholars from across the globe to come and present their research studies on early intervention through oral or poster presentation. While the Indian team gained more insight about the global researches taking place, Amar Seva Sangam experts showcased their advancements in community early intervention program and launched their MVBR EI mobile application, the EI documentation videos and the theme song. The idea behind holding this conference at such scale was reciprocating knowledge with the experts across the globe. It strongly brought out the importance of family-centered practices in all EI settings and possible collaboration of Amar Seva Sangam with several national and international organizations to spread the EI program model worldwide.
Thank you very much for your total support for this conference.